Faceless YouTube automation channels like this are making over $107,000 a month from their videos. Today, I'm going to break down how you can start your own channel in the celebrity news niche to go viral and start making unlimited passive income. To help you create and optimize your videos so that they go from getting 0 views to hundreds of thousands of views, click the links in the description. You can sign up for free accounts for the tools that will speed up the process that I'm about to break down. Step 1. Research the celebrity news niche and topics. Why celebrity news? Well, celebrity fans are some of the most loyal and engaged people on YouTube. When they're interested in a celeb, they want to know all the gossip, scandals, and latest updates. So, if you can create content that taps into their interest, you're tapping into a goldmine. But here's the thing. Timing is everything. You've got to focus on what's hot right now. The first step is finding out which celebrities are trending. This isn't just about picking your favorite famous person and hoping for the best. It's about knowing what people are searching for. Open up Google News and click on Entertainment. You'll see all kinds of results, but what you really want to look for are interesting stories, scandals, and controversies relating to well-known celebrities. I found this article, and I know from social media that the Diddy case has been massive. People who have been following along will want to know the full story and the updates, so this is a good topic. I can note down this video idea in a Google Doc titled Video Ideas. I'll keep doing this for other celebrities until I have a strong, long list. Once I have the video idea, I'm going to use vidIQ's keyword tool to find keywords that I can use in the title, description, and throughout my video. You can sign up for a free vidIQ account using the link in the description. Once you're logged in, just type in the idea of your video into the keyword search bar and see what comes up. I'll type in P. Diddy. vidIQ gives you a score to let you know how weak or strong the keyword is based on how many people are searching for the term and how saturated it is. Take notes of related and strong keywords. Write down these keywords under each video idea. Step 2. Write a script with ChatGPT. For my example, I'm going to use the title, Shocking Diddy Update. I'll head over to ChatGPT and give a prompt like this. Write me a 1,500-word text about P. Diddy's recent case. It should talk about everything that has happened and the most recent update as of today. Use easy-to-understand language, add storytelling, and make it interesting. You can use a similar prompt for any celebrity news topic you create a video on. ChatGPT will generate something solid, but copy and paste this all into a Google Doc and see if there's anything that you can edit or add to make it more interesting based on your research. Once you're happy with your script, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 3. Sign up to DupDub. Once you've picked a trending celebrity news topic, it's time to create videos. To help do this in the fastest and most beginner-friendly way, I recommend using DupDub AI. First, sign up for a free account using the link in the description. Then, just fill in your details, follow the prompts, and set everything up. It's super straightforward. Step 4. Create a voiceover. Not everyone wants to record their voice, and honestly, you don't have to. DupDub has AI voiceovers built right in. Click on AI voiceover, paste your script into this box, and pick one of the voices. There are tons of options for the voiceover. Male, female, young, old, you name it. For this niche, something that sounds like a news presenter or someone who sounds relatable and energetic will work best. Once you've generated the voiceover, have a listen and tweak it if you need to. You can add pauses for dramatic effect, slow it down during key moments, or speed it up when the action heats up. You're in full control here. Download your voiceover once you're happy with it. Step 5. Gather footage/visuals. For the most relevant footage, go through different news articles relating to your topic. You can use Google News again, or Google search for this. Screenshot article headlines, which makes your video feel more legitimate and trustworthy. You can also use Google Images for relevant photos, which is pretty easy to do thanks to paparazzi. Something else you can do is head over to YouTube, type in your video idea, and see if there's any interesting footage that you can use from other videos. You can download these YouTube videos using free tools. Just type YouTube Video Downloader into the Google search bar and pick one of the downloaders. I'll do this for my P. Diddy example. Step 6. Edit. This is where everything comes together. You can use DupDub's video editor for this. upload your voiceover first, and then drag on all of the visuals you've gathered. The most important part is matching your audio with the visuals. If you realize that you don't have enough footage, or if you want to make things more unique, you can click on Images and then click on AI Image. Type in a prompt like a dark dungeon, set the dimensions to 16:9, and then generate. This is a fast way to get some unique footage if you need it. To avoid any copyright issues, make sure that you don't play any individual clip for more than 5 seconds. Cut bits out and rearrange sections as much as you can and in a way that makes sense with your script. DubDub has different effects and transitions that you can use between each image and clip to make your video more engaging. If you want to add subtitles to your video, this is super easy to do. Just click on Subtitles and then on Transcription. DubDub will transcribe your voiceover, and then you can tweak how the subtitles look in the video. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and download your video. Step 7. Upload your video. People judge videos by their thumbnails. It's their first impression. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and images that make people curious. The easiest way to make a thumbnail is to use Canva. Just type in YouTube thumbnail in the template search bar, pick one that's close to what you'd like, open it up, and then edit it. You can use an AI image from DubDub as the main picture, and then add a couple of words that interest viewers. For example, I could upload an AI-generated picture of Diddy looking miserable and thin, and say, "It's over." If you're covering a shocking moment, tease it in the thumbnail without giving too much away. The same thing goes for titles. Your titles, descriptions, and tags should all be optimized. Include keywords like the name of the celebrity, the topic, and so on. If you download the free vidIQ Chrome extension, you'll see recommended tags right there when you're uploading, which is super convenient. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about, making it easier for the right audience to find you. By using tools like DubDub and vidIQ, you can make several videos easily and post them on your channel consistently at the best times. This will help you grow way faster and make that explosive income we're all aiming for in 2025. Which celebrities do you think you'd make videos on? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.